Hello students, let us discuss some examples of equivalence relations. Already we have seen examples of equivalence relations on a finite set. Suppose n is a set of natural numbers. This is a set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers. This starts with 1, 2, 3 and so on and so on. We have to define an equivalence relation on this set, a relation on this set. Suppose I have to define, then n cross n, first we have to write n cross n. How you can write n cross n? Set of all ordered pairs of natural numbers, that is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 and so on. And you have to take next 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 and so on. So infinite number of ordered pairs of natural numbers are there. So if you want to take any subset of this natural number, take any subset, let R is equal to a subset of R such that first number is 1 and second pair is double of the first. So 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6 and so on and so on, 4, 8 likewise. Then this R is a relation on n, because relation on n Why this R is relation on n? Because this R is subset of n cross n. See here, all the pairs 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8 all are subsets of this n cross n. So this is a relation on n. Relation on n means what? Subset of n cross n. So consider here, our main aim is to check whether this R is a equivalence relation on n. See here, this R can also be written as, in a set builder form, as here we have written this R in a set builder form as, here we have taken all the ordered pairs AB belongs to n cross n such that B equal to 2A. This B is equal to 2A. So B equal to 2A means what type of ordered pairs are there in this set R? Suppose we have taken A is equal to 1, then B equal to 2A. So this is a set builder notation for R, and this R can also be defined in a way. See here, this example is given. Consider a relation R on n by AB belongs to R. The ordered pair AB belongs to R. That is, A is R related to B if and only if B is equal to 2A. This A and B R belongs to A, B belongs to n here. That is, A is R related to B if and A is R related to B if and only if value of B is 2A, means A and 2A are only related by the relation R. Verify or check whether this R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. We have to check that whether this R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. This R is same as the above R, where we have written in a set notation, and this is the set builder notation. There are infinite number of elements, so we can write this R as, here this R can be written as all ordered pairs AB belongs to R, if and only if A is B is equal to 2A. So ordered pair AB belongs to n cross n is in R if and only if such that b equal to 2a. So b is equal to 2a, putting the value of b equal to 2a in this a comma 2a, a belongs to n. Here a is the only variable and ab belongs to n cross n means what? A belongs to n and b belongs to n. So a belongs to n. Then this set, suppose for a is equal to 1 comma 2 into a, this can be written as a is taken common, 1 comma 2 into a belongs to n. For a is equal to 1, we get 1 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 8. This relation R is same as the above relation R. So this relation can be defined like this: AB belongs to R if and only if. Then we have to check the reflexivity of this relation R. See here, 1 belongs to n, but 1 comma 1 does not belongs to n, because the second component must be of the form 2a. 1 comma 2 belongs to R, but 1 comma 1 does not belongs to R. For reflexivity, what we require? We require each element is related to itself for the relation R. Here 1 belongs to R, but 1 comma 1 does not belongs to R, means what? That is 1 is not R related to A. 1 is here, this is 1 is not R related to A. 1 is not R related to A. 1 is, that is 1 is not R related to 1. So this R is not reflexive. Secondly, we have to check whether this R is symmetric or not. Symmetricity. See here, this relation is not symmetric as 1 comma 2 belongs to R. 1 comma 2 belongs to R, but 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R. You can check, see the set R, how this set C is. 1 comma 2 is in R, but 2 comma 1 is not in R. 2 comma 1 is not in R. Or 2 comma 4 is in R, but 4 comma 2 is not in R. Therefore, this relation is not symmetric. That is, you can write in another notation. 1 comma 2 belongs to R means what? 1 is R related to 2, but 2 is not R related to 1. Therefore R is not symmetric. Not symmetric. R is not symmetric. Now we have to check the transitivity of this relation. Transitivity. See here, for transitivity of this relation. See here, 1 comma 2 belongs to R and 2 comma 4 belongs to R. Is there 1 comma 4 belongs to R, but 1 comma 4 not in R? 1 comma 2 belongs to R. See here, for R 1 comma 2 belongs to R, 2 comma 4 belongs to R, but 1 comma 4 does not belongs to R. Therefore this relation R, that is 1 is R related to 2 and 2 is R related to 4, but 1 is not R related to 4. Therefore this relation is not transitive relation. Therefore this relation is not transitive. Not transitive relation. So this relation cannot be an equivalence relation, because this is not reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive. For equivalence relation, we require that relation must be a reflexive, symmetric as well as transitive. Thus from 1, 2 and 3 you get that R is, thus R is not an equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. Equivalence relation.